Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of wallpaper design and how it can transform your living room. Whether you're renovating your space or just looking for a fresh update, the right wallpaper can add personality and style to your room. Let's explore some exciting ideas and tips to help you choose the perfect wallpaper design for your living room. When it comes to wallpaper for your living room, the options are endless, but finding the perfect design requires a bit of planning. Start by considering the mood and atmosphere you want to create. If you're aiming for a cozy, intimate space, rich textures and warm colors can make your living room feel inviting. Opt for wallpapers with deep tones and soft patterns that add a depth without overwhelming the room. On the other hand, if you prefer a more vibrant and energetic environment, bold colors and striking designs can bring a dynamic element to your space. Floral patterns, geometric shapes, and abstract paints can serve as a statement piece or complement other design elements. Next, think about the size and layout of the living room. For smaller rooms, lighter colors and subtle patterns can help make the space feel larger and more open. Light shades like soft grays and pale blues or muted pastels can create an airy atmosphere. Conversely, in larger living rooms, you have the flexibility to experiment with darker shades and more intricate designs. Consider using wallpaper on an accent wall to add visual interest without overwhelming the entire space. Texture plays a crucial role in wallpaper design. Textured wallpapers, such as those with a raised pattern or a fox finish, can add a tactile element to your living room. They can also help hide minor imperfections on the walls and create a more luxurious feel. However, if you're aiming for a sleek and modern look, smooth, flat wallpapers with clean lines might be more appropriate. Another important factor is the existing decor in your living room. Your wallpaper should complement your furniture, lighting, and other design elements. For a cohesive look, coordinate your wallpaper with your upholstery and accessories. If your furniture is patterned or brightly colored, you might opt for a more subdued wallpaper to balance the room. Conversely, if your living room features neutral tones and simple finishing, you can use wallpaper to introduce a pop of color or pattern. Don't forget to think about the practical aspects of wallpaper. For high traffic areas or homes with children and pets, choose durable, washable wallpapers that can stand up to wear and tear. Vinyl and non-woven wallpapers are excellent choices for these conditions due to their durability and ease of maintenance. Also consider the ease of application and removal. If you're planning to change your decor frequently or are renting, peel and stick wallpapers can be a convenient option that allows for easy updates without damage. In summary, choosing the right wallpaper for your living room involves balancing style, color, and texture while considering practical aspects. By carefully selecting a design that complements your existing decor and meets your lifestyle needs, you can create a stunning and functional living space that truly reflects your personal taste. Explore different patterns and finishes, and don't be afraid to experiment until you find the perfect wallpaper to enhance your living room. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you in selecting the ideal wallpaper for your living room. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home design inspiration. See you next time.